All right, here's how to print your Dibbles 8th edition, also known as M-Class, printing those Home Connect parent letters. You will go on your M-Class reports site. I'll show you. It's not the one with Mr. Say, it's the one with the running girl. This one right here. I just have my demo class pulled up, but you'll go to where it says Home Connect. Make sure you're on end of the year. I have not assessed any, so you will have students show up and there'll be boxes with English and Spanish, and you click, I think there's an option at the top where you can click them all. And then you download your PDF. It will populate at the bottom of your screen. You will open that up, and then that's how you can print them. I believe there are 3 pages per student, so you have to be careful with the front and back and so forth. But that's how you do it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or reach out to me and let me know. Thanks.